practical. Love is full of emotions. Love, 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 love.
I never, ever, ever, ever get back together. I never, ever, ever, ever get back together. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. 'Cause we never, ever, ever, ever get back together.
Love? Love isn't just a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship. It can be love for your friends, love for your family, love for God, and most especially, you need to love yourself.
Really gonna miss you picking fights, falling for a screaming that I'm right. How the way you find your peace of mind, and you reckon that's much cooler than mine. Call me.
Ay, naku, miss ko na siya. Hello, sweetheart. O, kamusta ka na dyan sa Dubai?
Okay naman, ikaw.
Eto, okay lang naman. Miss na nga kita eh. Kailan ba tayo magkikita?
Baka sa December pa.
December? Ang tagal naman.
Kailan mo ba gusto?
November?
Pwede rin. Baka naman may iba ka na.
Wala no, ikaw lang babae ko. Baka naman ikaw. Tsaka malapit na tayo magkita, di ba?
Oo naman. Sige, papasok na ako. Tawagan na lang kita mamaya. I love you.
Sige, aantayin kita ha. Mahal na mahal din kita. Bye-bye, I love you. Hello? Oh, nasaan ka? Oh, sige, susunduin kita dyan. Ha?